How to change name on Facebook. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, go for the upper right which has that three bar icon and scroll down, go for settings and privacy, tap on settings and here go for see more in account center and then scroll down again, go for personal details and here you will have password and security. Now tap on see more in account center, go for the profiles and tap on the profile again and here you will have your name, username, profile picture and avatar, right? So if you want to change your name on Facebook, tap on the name and here you will have your name. So if you want to remove the name, simply tap on that and remove the name, and once you've removed you can add another thing like something that you're comfortable with and you can tap on review change. Once you tap on review change, your name will be changed. So here it says if you change your name you can't change it again for 60 days, so choose wisely. And once you've changed your name, tap on review change, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.